Hey, I'm Sagrat, and in the past few weeks, I was applying to a couple of grants, fellowship programs, and funding forms, and surprisingly, I got into two of them and had a couple of interviews in future with a few of them too. So let's get talk about the whole process and the journey. Let's begin. So first, let's talk about in which programs I got finally selected. So the programs are number one is TKS, the Knowledge Society. It's basically a startup boot camp for student where they will teach you how you can turn your basic crappy idea into a perfect solution with including some demo days and like that, a virtual program. And this is basically a YC for teenagers, I would say. And the application process is simple. Just you need to teach them what you like, teach them a topic which is different from tech. You need to just explain a topic, and then you need to just shoot a video telling why you are a fit in this program. Then you will have get an email from them that you're finally in or out. So I got this email and I was finally in. So that was about TKS. The experience was perfect. And now let's talk about the second program, which was Young Founders Lab. It's for Young Founders Lab is cool. I like their whole, you know, motive of starting this to help young founders, high schoolers, just giving them advice, having demo days, just like TKS. So I just applied to Young Founders Lab, and this also the process was simple. Go and fill the application, tell about yourself, your experience. Do you have any idea why you're the right fit? If you have a team, tell us about that. Like that basic question. Then you will have an interview, a live interview of 15 minutes, and they will just ask you a couple of questions like, tell me about yourself, why you will why you're the best in this program, and if you have any idea, tell us about that, tell about your experience, like that. And you just need to share, and you will get an email from them again telling that you are in or out. And I got this email, I was officially in, and that was a great moment for me. And yeah, out of 68 applications that I filled, I got wait. Actually, my alarm clock was ringing. Yeah. So out of 68 applications that I filled, I officially got into two of them and had a couple of interviews. Means in future, I will having some interviews from a couple of fellowship program like Grad Capital, which is a India-based startup type of funding program for students. And I got this email for having an interview with, and I got also an interview offer for from Venture Camp. You can see this. Yeah. And now let's talk about, I also get rejected by many of them like QS Capital, Inactus, sorry, Eximinus, QS Capital, Hustle Funds, 314. So I got into two, having two interviews in future, and got into fail in couple of four or five. So that was my journey so far. It's quite interesting that we are moving forward like this. People are getting interested in our idea, in our whole journey. That's great. That's a decent sign. And yeah, I will do this for just because I love this. I really love to build stuffs. I really love what I'm building, Evidora. So I will do that until I win this game. So that was the experience, great experience. And thank you for watching this video till the very end. Very short video, just I tell my experience, how I got into a couple of interviews, how I got into a couple of fellowship programs, and that was the whole video. Thank you if you watched till the very end. Thanks.